Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing us how to make this beautiful ball dress with a sweetheart neckline. If you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and join the family by subscribing to this channel and hitting on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. I'm working with half length of 9, bust 21, waist 21, shoulder is 4, armhole is 4.5. So the first thing is to draft my basic bodice. Now I'm marking 9 inches for my half length measurement. Next, now I'm doing is to take my shoulder measurement, which is 4 inches. I'll mark it at intervals like so. So on this shoulder line, I'll mark my 4.5 inches, which is my armhole measurement. 4.5. The next thing I'm doing is to get my bust measurements. My bust here is 21 divided by 4. That's 5.25. Just mark it 5.25 like so. And the waist is also 5.25. 21 divided by 4. I just need to do is to draw a straight line to connect the bust to the waist. After doing that, I'll mark my neck measurement. I'm using 2 inches by 2.5 inches. I'll connect it. Afterwards, I'll mark my shoulder slope, which is ½ inch, and connect it to the neckline. So here I'll check what I have left and divide by 2. I'll come in by ½ inch. I'll join it to my bust measurement like so. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be doing is to mark my yoke for this dress. So what I'll do is from this neck tips I'll come down by 1 inch. So from here to this place is 3.5. I'll mark it here 3.5. So for my sweetheart neckline, that's what I want to do now. I'll just mark 1 inch from this yoke. 1 inch. This is 1 inch. Then I'll bring down my neck width of 2 inches. So from this 1 inch I came down with, I'll just connect it to this place like so, and I also connect this to this armhole. I'll blend it with the armhole like so. So with this I've drafted my sweetheart neckline. This is what it looks like. I'll cut it out for us to see what it looks like. So this is what we have. So this is my yolk, as we know. So I'll go ahead to transfer this measurement to a fresh pattern paper and add my allowances round. So guys, I'm so sorry. I never knew that the video wasn't recording when I was transferring it and adding the allowances. So quickly I'll just show us what I did. So this using the basic bodies after cutting out the yoke and the mini bodies. So I took a fresh pattern paper and I drafted the remaining part of the front bodies on it and added half-inch allowance this way. I added 1.5-inch allowance and I added 3/4 inch allowance at the lower part that will join to the ball part of the dress. So for the yoke, I did the same thing. I got a new pattern paper. I transferred what I have here to the pattern paper and I added half-inch sewing allowance all round. And as we know, I'll cut my yoke on fold and I'll cut 2 pieces. So quickly I'll show us how to sew the sweetheart neckline. So the first thing that I'll be doing is to sew my yoke along the neckline. I'll sew it with half-inch sewing allowance and I'll sew it as gently as possible. So the next thing that I'll be doing is to trim this excess. So I'll trim it very close to this stitch line. So I'm turning it inside out. This is what it's looking like. So I'll just hold these two together. So I'll just attach the yoke to the remaining part of the bodice like so. So I just sew it down carefully. So So I'm going to place the lining over like so and sew it as well. So I'm going to notch carefully. It's looking good, so I'll just stop stitch. So this is the back, and I want to turn the neck. So what I'll do is that I'll leave 1.5 inches for zip allowance, and from here I'll turn the rest of the neck. So I'll notch the neck. So I'll also turn the rest of the armhole. Turn it inside out. So I'm going to give it a good ironing. I'll do the same thing for the second side. So this is my front and this is my back. So I want to join both together. My front has a yoke, so I'm joining it to the back like so. To shape the dress, my waist measurement is 21 divided by 4, that is 5 1/4. Just mark 5 1/4 like so. So I'll do the same for the other side.